Welcome back, money makers. This is your boy Duran, and I have another opportunity that a lot of people is really not talking about. But it's called Rumble.com. I know I covered this a little bit before, but I'm gonna actually break down to how you can actually, create content on here. And it's a little bit, the monetization on Rumble.com is a little bit less requirements as opposed to YouTube, because you can get monetized right away when you start making videos. But it does take some time for the money to build up, but you can actually start making money on this website as well too. So I thought about, a how-to tutorial guides of how to create a coconut vegan cream pie. And obviously, when you go into rumble.com, you have to kind of get familiar with the system over here. So this is their upload feature. It's not nothing too complicated that anybody wouldn't be able to understand. You just click here to select the video that you want to. I already did this earlier, and I'm going to show you a video that I uploaded here. So you upload here, you put the video title there, you put the video description of what it's going to be about, and then you choose a thumbnail just like you would with YouTube. And then you can click public, and then you click this button where it says upload. So then once you do that, it's going to process and all of that. And then you want to make sure you have a good thumbnail, because that's very key so people can watch your channel. They're going to push it out, but it doesn't get pushed out like YouTube does. So you might have a harder time of getting, followers on here. But that's okay. You're just going to have to keep working hard to, put out quality content just like you would on YouTube. So this particular channel here has how to create a coconut vegan cream pie here. Let's take a look and see.
Ever wondered how to make a creamy coconut vegan pie? A delightful dessert that's not just scrumptious, but also dairy-free, egg-free, and cruelty-free. Well, journey with us today as we delve into the art of crafting this sweet delight. First, gather the necessary ingredients. For the crust, you'll need 2 cups of unsweetened shredded coconut and 6 pitted dates. As for the filling, secure 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, a 1/4 cup of maple syrup, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Kick things off by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now prepare the crust. Blend the shredded coconut and dates in a food processor until the mixture sticks together. Press this mixture firmly into a pie dish, making sure to cover the bottom and the sides evenly. Pop it into the oven and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes or until golden. While the crust bakes, turn your attention to the filling. Pour the coconut milk into a saucepan and heat it over medium heat until it simmers. Stir in the maple syrup, cornstarch, and vanilla extract. Keep stirring until the mixture thickens. This should take about 5 minutes. Take out the golden crust from the oven and let it cool. Once it's cooled, pour the creamy coconut filling into it. Smooth out the top with a spatula, then refrigerate for at least 3 hours or until the filling sets. And there you have it, a creamy coconut vegan pie. To recap, start by blending the coconut and dates for the crust, then bake until golden. While the crust is baking, prepare the filling by heating coconut milk and adding in maple syrup, cornstarch, and vanilla extract. Once everything is ready, pour the filling into the cooled crust and refrigerate until set. This pie is not only a treat for your taste buds, but also a testament to the fact that delicious desserts can be made without any animal products. It's creamy, it's coconutty, and it's completely vegan, so why not give it a try and bake a creamy coconut vegan pie today? Enjoy!
So there you have it. So now you might be wondering how, you create this particular video. That's okay. I'm going to show you a little. Method here. If you go to the InVideo AI, basically you can have a free account and it will generate the whole video for you. You just put in the topic and it's going to generate the B footage, and it's going to generate the voiceover and all that good stuff. And then you just upload it to rumble.com, and it's going to say pending monetization. So it's going to take some time for you to start seeing more views and followers, but over time you will be able to, start making money, hopefully, on your Rumble channel. But other than that, money makers, that's all I have for you today. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and keep telling people about my channel, because I bring you new opportunities every day. Have a great day, money makers. Bye.